So, are you in the middle of manifesting something and you notice that your thoughts are working against you? The more you attempt to think positive, the more negative thoughts you have. And then you realize that the negativity, the negative thoughts, the negative vibration is lowering your vibe, but it's also keeping you from getting what you want. This video changes that. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. And that's what this channel is about, your dreams and your goals. So, high flyers, be sure and subscribe. Remember also to click the bell icon. Right now, something has changed. And I think it was the harvest moon in combination with a lot of things going on in the heavens. We had an eclipse, but right now, people are getting back together faster than ever before. I've never seen anything like this. So if you're looking to get together with your specific person, why not claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching? Find out what a mentoring program can mean for your life. We believe you deserve the love you desire, the money you need and want, and the success and health that is rightfully yours. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. So, high flyers, there are a number of studies, but there's a big study. It kind of asks this question: what is more effective, filling your mind with positive thoughts or eliminating, transforming negative thoughts? Which one is most effective? Well, it turned out, contrary to what a lot of people want to tell you, that eliminating the negative thoughts was more effective in helping this person develop a positive mindset and attract more of what they desire using the law of attraction, using positive thinking. But it's not that they are going out of their way to create more positive thoughts, though that's a good idea too. They are focusing on eliminating all of the negative thoughts. Wouldn't you like to eliminate your limiting beliefs, your doubts, your fears, your worries, your anxiety? By eliminating all these negative, lower vibrational thoughts, guess what happens? You start to manifest more of what you desire, but more importantly, you start to live the life that you truly deserve to live. Now, I think the idea is not to necessarily resist the old thoughts, because you remember Louise Hay. Here's a quote of hers: "What we resist persists." So think about that, high flyers. If you resist it, if you just push it away all the time, it's going to keep coming back. And it gets stronger and stronger and stronger. And pretty soon you're overcome by negativity because you keep resisting it and pushing it away. As you transform negative thoughts and replace them with positive thoughts, you will move into alignment with what you desire. So doing affirmations over and over and over and over and over again until your ears begin to bleed, that's only half the formula. The other half of the formula is to transform limiting beliefs, doubts, and fears. Because when you transform them, when you eliminate them, now the affirmations have clean soil, have nutrient-rich soil in the mind in which to grow and help you manifest what you desire. But if you don't eliminate the negative thoughts, or at least reduce them, just doing affirmations for the sake of doing affirmations can be kind of a waste of time. So let's look at some powerful ways to eliminate negative thoughts. So Dr. Daniel Amon's developed the ANTS system, ANTS. This system is very, very effective, and I've used variations of it for quite some time now. And what it does is it helps you eliminate these automatic negative thoughts by using a simple formula. So the A stands for awareness of negative thoughts. You need to be aware of the negative thoughts you're thinking. What is the thought? Write it down. The N stands for notice your thoughts. Notice when they come up. Notice what prompts them to come up. Notice how you feel when these negative thoughts come up in your thinking process. The most important thing is don't get judgmental with yourself about these negative thoughts. Just notice them and be aware of them. I think it's important to observe, again, no judgment, just observe how these negative thoughts affect your vibration. The T stands for thought evaluation. I like the word transform. Either way, you are at the point now where you are challenging the validity of your negative thoughts. Remind yourself that these thoughts are beliefs. They're not fact. You may think they're fact, but they're not. I can't start a business because I don't have any money. That's a belief. It's not a fact. I'll never get back together with my specific person because there's a third party involved. That's a belief. That's not a fact. You see what I'm saying? So we need to understand that these are beliefs, not facts. Notice that your negative thoughts are usually based on limiting beliefs. And then look for evidence to support the contrary to your belief, to contradict your belief. So if you believe I can't start a business without money, then look for 10 people that have started a business with no money at all, people that have become millionaires. Look for people that have been separated with the third party involved that got back together and have a better relationship now than they did before, because you'll find that evidence. And that evidence helps you contradict those limiting beliefs. And then the S stands for substitute with positive thoughts. You notice I didn't go directly right into the affirmations. I eliminated and challenged the negative thoughts. I literally cross it out on my paper when I write it down. Okay. Or I take a black marker and I cross it out. And then I transform it. I substitute it with new thoughts, new beliefs. Choose empowering thoughts. Create empowering affirmations. Okay, Dr. Amon's has a show on YouTube. You can type in ANTS into YouTube, Dr. Amon, AMEN. You will find a whole video on the ANTS system come up. Use it. Okay, number 2, meditate. The more you meditate, if you watch some of my earlier videos, we talked about how we all have 3 ego states. We have a parent ego state, we have a child ego state, we have an adult ego state. Meditation puts you in the center. Meditation puts you in the adult ego state. The adult ego state doesn't have negative thoughts. All negative thoughts come from the parent or the child. Fearful, worrisome, negative thoughts come from the child. Angry, controlling, negative thoughts. Didn't do what he said he was going to do. That comes from the parent. But the adult is right in the center. And you get centered through meditation. Remember, when you're meditating, do not empower your negative thoughts emotionally. You can see them, you can hear them, you can look at them, but do not empower them emotionally. Well, high flyers, number 3 is gratitude. And I can't emphasize this enough. Now, We teach a thing called the gratitude rant, but I think it's even deeper than that. I think you've got to emotionalize the gratitude. You've got to feel it. It can't just be words. You've got to feel how grateful you really are for, first, the good things that have happened in the past, the things that are happening right now, and the good things that are coming into your life in the future. And good things are coming your way. Number 4, move your body. I'm not going to go into that. There's a lot of exercise videos. There's a lot of videos on physiology and biology, but just move your body. Get your ass up and get moving. And number 5, live your life. Don't live wanting something. Live as if you already have it. Give it to yourself right now because you're worthy, because you're special, because you're unique, because you're the one. Now, I think one of the most important things you can do is take good care, great care of your subconscious mind. I want to visit you to go to miraclehypnosisonline.com. We have a plethora of audio programs there designed to help you accomplish a number of things. And we're adding 2 and 3 every month. So become a member, but try it out for 7 days absolutely free. You're going to be amazed at the kind of results you get. Miraclehypnosisonline.com. Now, here's another video to help you on your journey.